Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
Guys, so I am in Target today, and I am actually a Target affiliate. I don't know if I've even shared that with anyone, but I decided to do my budget series about beauty products on a budget. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys some products here at Target that have that I use and that I know to work, that definitely help you save money and eliminate a lot of costs. So first, let's talk about these, which are the lashes. So there's tons and tons of lashes. If you've thought about getting extensions or thought about paying to have your eyelashes done, this is definitely a alternative to doing so. And they're very easy to use, tons of tutorials and everything like that on YouTube, of course. But some of the ones that I like to use are actually some of the more expensive ones, but they last longer. So that's what you're looking for, is getting the most bang for your buck, right? So you have these up here, which are the Luxe Cashmere, and these are actually fiber lashes, and they're gonna give you that realistic appeal. It's gonna look like, you know, you just went and got your lashes done professionally. So you want to stick to some of those, or any of these Eyelure ones up here that are gonna give you that feel of the lashes that are like, see, I'm really at Target. So they're gonna give you that real lash feel, like that mink feel for your lashes. So those are a great way to do. And let's see, the prices on them are, these are $17.99, but again, you're gonna get 15 plus wears. So if you divide that, let's do $18 divided by 15. I don't know the math, I'll put it on the screen. You can see how much you will be paying, and these are like literally some of the nicest lashes that I have seen. And you can tell they're nice because they got the little lock on them, so you know people like those. Yeah, so just look for some of the ones. There are lots of YouTubers and influencers that have come out with the lines, so I think you guys would enjoy that. All right, so then moving over, we'll talk about our nails, which you guys know has been my new thing, is focusing on nails and trying to reduce the cost that I spend on my nails. So over here, they have the Kiss collection of the nails, like the press-on nails. I love these because they're a great alternative to going and getting your nails done, and you can switch them up and do a lot of different things. You see here, there's like different sizes. So these are more of like the small, just wanna, if you can't paint your nails, these are gonna be perfect. I can't paint my nails, so that's the thing. And you come down here and they just go up to different sizes. Now it gets a little bit fancier, so let's see, these were $5.99, and then these over here, oh, they're $7.99. I'm pretty sure this might not be in the right space, but let's just say they're $7.99. So you can get at least 2 wears out of these, but I mean $7.99 versus I pay anywhere between $60 and $70 for a full set. So to get that for $7.99, and I can take it on and off, I think that's amazing. So these are definitely some really cool ideas for you to use if you're thinking about trying to save money. You have an event coming up and you really don't want to go get your nails done. You can't have your nails done, but you need an alternative. They don't have just the, let me show you guys the old school ones. These are like old school type press-on nails to me. These are the ones back in the day when you weren't supposed to be getting acrylics and you got them anyways. So I really do laugh at that sometimes, that I used to get those, but they have changed up the game now, so you have options and all of that. So now we're gonna head over to the other section. Let me let these people go by. Okay, so we talked about the nails, and I actually got to come back and grab some stuff, but we're going to talk about like taking care of your pupa. Okay, so I call it a pupa because that's my thing. So we're going to come over here, and I'm going to take you down this aisle, and what you're looking for is the Nair. Now I know some people are like, Nair girl? Yes, Nair. We're going to take care of that pupa today. So the way that I take care of mine, okay, some people may not, you know, this ain't your thing, it's just not your thing, it's my thing. I wanted to tell you about this. So instead of going and getting Brazilian wax anymore, I now choose to use the Nair Shower Power. Now when I was growing up, my mom didn't want me to get like a razor and stuff. They didn't shave like legs and stuff, so it wasn't a thing for them. So shaving my legs, whatever. So when I finally was able to get a shaver and all that stuff, I was like, ouch, you know, because nobody taught me how to do it. So anyways, this is the Shower Power, and you have 2 of them, but I like to use the argan oil one because it just gives me a better feel. I have tried the coconut oil, it's all right, does the same thing. This one says it smooths the skin for up to 6 days, so that's pretty cool. Did I try this coconut one? I think I want to say I tried it, but if I didn't, this is the brand that I use regardless. You can pick whichever you want. That's the more sensitive formula. What I will say is make sure you stay very cautious of where you put it, okay? So you want to just use it around the perimeter. I mean, like, not the perimeter, but the outside. Try not to go any further, okay? Just stay on the top, if you know what I'm saying. But that's a great way for you to really get in and get out and get the same results that you would get if you went to the Brazilian wax place. I really highly recommend using that Nair. It's $8.79. Look how much you get in here. Now, unless, you know, I'm not even gonna get personal, but I think this will last you at least 5 or 6 times. You're paying $8.79. Do the math. You're definitely saving when you're doing something like that. All right, so we've taken care of our lashes, we've taken care of our nails, we've gotten our pupa together. So now the last thing that I wanted to show you guys here is like some of the makeup stuff that Target offers. Now Target has always been a place where you can come and get some of the what they call drugstore brand makeup, but what I want to show you are some alternatives to what you may already be using. But first, let me stop right here and grab some of this nail polish remover. I don't want that. Oh, and remember I was telling you guys about what I use on my wig? This is it. This is what I use on my wig to make it do what it did. Okay, my battery's running low, so I gotta hurry up and show you guys these products. So there's always an alternative to what comes out for the bigger brands. You guys know I love Better Than Sex. No, I love the mascara Better Than Sex. These are the alternatives for those. This L'Oreal here, you guys are absolutely going to love it. Check out some of the brands that are showing you guys that, like, they have dupes. That's what it's called, a dupe. Why did I just dupe? It's a dupe. So I don't know why I get excited about saying dupe. That's a weird word to say. Anywho, but these L'Oreal, the Lash Paradise, is really nice. That's a definite comparable one to the Better Than Sex. You can see the tube and stuff kind of looks the same, and a lot of times you can find ones that kind of look similar to the ones that are actually in the big brand stores, like your Sephora's and stuff. You just have to kind of compare it. So definitely check out some of those items. And then the last things are like just these Sonia Kashuk brushes are amazing brushes that you can get. They're high quality and they're going to last for a long time. You can definitely grab like a whole set. These are $40, but in the whole set you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 10 brushes for $40. So again, do the math, that's $4 a brush. Probably a little less than what you would spend at Morphe maybe, but everywhere else you'll be spending a ton. So you can definitely come to Target and get all of your needs for like your beauty stuff, all of that stuff here on a budget. And I think that it's a really great way to get started in makeup without having to break the bank, as well as looking good. I mean, you don't have to go to a big brand to get, you know, a nice product, you know, especially if you're just starting out or you don't wear it all the time. Why would you go to Sephora and spend $80 and you only use it one time? Like, I just think that's crazy to me. Okay, so I had to come back and just, you know, talk to you guys. I grabbed my phone, my battery on my camera died. So the last thing I wanted to talk about was the difference in buying brand names versus buying the like store brand. So one of the items that I buy all the time is body wash, and the body wash that I choose to get is actually this Dove alternative, and this is the Target brand, the Up and Up brand. It's $3.49 and the Dove brand is $5.99. So you can see that right there, there's a difference in the pricing of the body wash. And even though with this dollar, it's still going to be cheaper to get $1 off. It's gonna be $4.99 versus $3.49. I mean, you're still saving if you go with the Target brand. But what I do, I don't just buy one, I get the double pack up here. This double pack is $5.99 and this one is $10.89. Yeah, $10.89. So you're almost saving $5 by getting the Target brand and buying the double pack versus buying the one that's $3.49 and you get two for $5.99. So those are some of the things I found out as I began to shop for myself. I know a lot of people, as you're growing up, you know, you have to learn how to shop for yourself. And I was so used to my mom kind of buying the things that we needed at the house. That's why I'm really always ashy, because I was... Anyway, but same thing with your lotions and stuff. Kind of segue into that, my ashiness. Same thing with your lotions. So you'll have your Jergens lotion. which is $5.99, and then you'll have your Target brand, which is $3.89. So right there you can tell there's a total difference in the price, but you're getting the same thing. It's just the store brand. Sometimes they even make the stuff at the same place, just slap a different brand on them. I mean, some of the ingredients are different. You may not have as strong of a scent as you're used to, but I mean, you're getting pretty much the same product. So yeah, that's my completion of this video, and I had to switch over to my phone because my battery died or whatever. I don't even know if I said that already, but if I did, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this budget beauty on a budget series, and I'm here live at Target. So if you guys have another store you want me to try, I definitely will. But you know, I am a Target shopper at heart, and I love and I know the store, and I can find the deals and stuff like that. And always check your Cartwheel app, because the Cartwheel app is going to have some amazing deals on there, especially for up and up products that you can get for cheaper. All right, you guys, I'll catch you in our next video. Mwah. KK, bye.